like everything. I'm really shocked, y'all. Like, I'm having a moment of, wow, do I really like this wig like that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Y'all, today, when I say I literally just put this wig on my head, I literally put this wig on my head. I didn't bust out any adhesive, any mousse, anything except powder to match the lace to my... I'm in shock. And it's a color. It's a sandy blonde color. So y'all get to see what the blondes are looking like on the black girl, okay? Because we all want to know what blondes work for us. But this color is nice. This wig is nice. Anyway, I'm going to show y'all how quick and easy this wig was. Tell y'all how I feel about it. I'm going to go ahead and give the video away. It's a perfect everyday wig. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because you will be back. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump into it. Hey friends, so we have another Outre wig today. This one is a closure and I'm actually really excited about filming this one because I just filmed the 12-inch airtight. I'm looking because I gotta make sure I tell y'all the right wig. So I just filmed this Outre airtight natural Yaki 12-inch wig, but today I'm filming this Outre closure 14-inch wig, and this one is a little bit longer, and it also says that this is a natural Yaki too, which I didn't notice, and I'm excited about that because the airtight one, I really did like that natural Yaki texture compared to like the perm Yaki texture. This one is a good kind of in-between, kind of kinky but silky. So this is a good in-between Yaki texture. I feel like this is a true Yaki texture. And like I said, it's 14 inches, and that other one I thought was a little bit too short. But yeah, I'm excited about this one. So this is the wig I will be filming for you guys today. Guys, we doing something a little different today. We got sandy blonde. Y'all see that? We doing sandy blonde. I'm trying to bring you guys some colors. It looks like it's going to be this color on the stock card right here. There are a lot of other pretty colors in there, but I was like, let's go ahead and get a color since I did that one in a natural color. And I always tell you guys that they're synthetic wigs, so go ahead and challenge yourself and try the color. So I'm nervous. So this is what she's looking like. She's really pretty. Y'all see the texture a little bit in that, so I like that. And there are a little bit of like 613s with some golden ambers in there, so that's cool. It's not like all one color, and this is the one length, but this one is a closure, so you're only going to get this lace right in the front. You're going to get a 5x5 lace closure. You're going to get an elastic band if you want to wear it glueless, and this cap is really stretchy. So I have reviewed a lot of Outre closures in the past. I think I reviewed like a body wave, a kinky straight one, and I was really impressed with those. They're so easy to put on, so I really do like this closure thing that they're giving us. And also this one is this a human hair blend? Yes, this is a human hair blend, y'all. So y'all know these synthetic wigs kind of tangle and matte over time, but this human hair blend lasts a little bit longer, and she feels good. She feels really good. So let's go ahead and put her on. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go in with my as far as the wig cap, I think I want to go in, might go brown. Let's try different wig caps to see. With this color being blonde, I think I want to go in with a brown wig cap. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair. My hair is growing, and I'm so impressed with the results. I think I have a video coming up. Yeah, I do have it coming up soon, or already posted. Y'all know I really don't know how I edit these videos. I literally just film these videos when I'm off of work and edit kind of how I feel like it. Like, it's not a specific order of how I edit, but like I might have like 5 different videos to edit and just pick one, you know, depending on if I think y'all want to see the video first or not. So I do have a video coming up of kind of how I maintain my hair underneath my wig, so stay tuned for that. And like the conditioner I use, the products I'm using to grow it, you know, hair maintenance underneath the wig. Oh, this band is actually really big and stretchy. Okay. Okay, now I see you. I see you. I see you, girl. This is the length I wish the airtight wig was. I really do. I like 14 inches. When y'all see that airtight review, I'm gonna just watch the video. Ugh. I do mention something about the length, but I think this is the length I was looking for. So this is what it's looking like. I thought it was a line of demarcation, but it's not. You see how the cap sometimes shows when it's too light? Let's try the black one. I usually wear these brown ones when I'm like wearing a half wig, and I don't really need to do all that lace. You can still see the black too. But let's go ahead and put this on. It's gonna be real quick, y'all. This wig is cute. Oh, she cute. Okay. So honestly, this wig was very easy. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. All I did was use my hot comb and brush the hair back. I did tweeze just a little bit, nothing too dramatic. I honestly could have probably skipped that part. This closure, I wanted to point out here that the weft hair is being covered up by this extra piece of lace. Normally on these closures wigs, you see the weft on the side, but you don't see it on this wig. I did thin out some of these baby hairs and trim them up a bit. I cut the lace kind of jagged. I don't like to go straight across. And then I just tint the lace with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. You guys know the drill. You know this stuff. You watch the videos. You know it. And that's pretty much it. I'm wearing this wig glueless. And I just put it on, and I was really shocked with how scalp-like it was looking. Like, it looked so realistic. I didn't do anything. You could go in with a hot comb, but all I did was play with this wig a little bit, comb her out, and that was it. That was it. All right, y'all. So, I'm done. As you see, I did nothing. I was gonna put some spray, but I was like, why? This is the first glueless wig I can honestly say is like glueless. This is the ultimate glueless wig I have ever tried. Do y'all see how it's looking like my scalp? So now you can part this wig and go in the middle and do that, but I kind of gave you guys a middle look with the airtight wig, so I didn't do that. And if you do in the middle, you're gonna have to apply some heat and kind of make it look a little bit more like pressed down, because this is kind of humpy. So I just went with the flow of the wig, y'all. Like, this is cool. This is so cool. I love the texture. This texture feels really good, which I'm really happy with, because I haven't had a soft Yaki wig like this from Outre in a while. So I really like this, but it's some nice layers in here. Like, I thought this wig would kind of be a little bit too thin, but now I'm like, I need to go back and get a natural color. I even think I want to go and get this vanilla mocha. This sandy blonde looks so good. Okay. I don't know what to tell y'all. This wig is easy. So, some pros and some cons. A con? I don't think it's a con with this wig. I don't think I have any cons. Pros, all pros. Like, look how this wig is flowing, y'all. I didn't apply any spray. I didn't apply anything to this wig. I don't know if it's the color that's making it like this, but it's not snaggy. It's not like real synthetic-y. Like, it's just flowing. It reminds me of that wig I reviewed, Sky, a long time ago, and I love that wig, but this feels really good. I think I like this little look right here. Put this behind my ear, and like, I didn't do anything to this wig. This wig was so easy. I love when I just throw wigs on my head and go. There's the 5x5 closure, but I didn't feel like parting this wig. I didn't feel like putting any more hot comb on this wig. I didn't feel like doing anything except putting this wig on my head, and she is easy. Let me show y'all what this wig is looking like all the way around. This is the front, the side, and in the back. So yeah, this is like the perfect everyday wig. This is the perfect work wig. I think she's a winner, y'all. I absolutely do. I didn't melt her. I didn't put anything on this wig except powder. Now the ends on this wig are kind of like tapered, so they're a little thinner on the ends. That's kind of why I think this wig looks a little thinner to me here, but it's because of the way the layers fall on this wig. But this is a good like everyday slay. You know, she's cute. Sandy blonde for the win. I'm glad I tried it. This is exactly why I tell you guys to try color, because boom, you don't like it, take the wig off. Take the wig off. And you see that? You see how glueless this is? So if you want, you can absolutely apply some adhesive, your mousse, whatever you want to do, but this wig is not moving. Like, I'm doing the forehead test for the slip back. It's not slipping back. It's not doing anything. You can't put some bobby pins in here. It's a great everyday put on your head wig. I do like the fit of this wig. It feels really good. I do like everything. I really like everything. I'm really shocked, y'all. Like, I'm having a moment of, wow, do I really like this wig like that? Because I didn't think I would. I thought I wouldn't like this wig, but she's cute. I love the fact that this is a closure, but I like how they did the lace. Like, they made the lace where the closure is hidden, and you don't see it. Sometimes it's like a blunt, like boom, you're wearing a closure, but the way they made the lace fall, it's kind of a little above the track, so that's cool. But yeah, this is the perfect everyday wig. I don't need to make this review longer than it needs to be. She cute, y'all. And I'm being so lazy not doing anything with this wig. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop some comments down below. Would you rock this color? Do you like this wig? Y'all know this wig might be up for sale, because where am I going with a blonde wig? But I do this for y'all, so definitely check the links below. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.